Panoorin na naman natin si Idol Ryan, episode 4. Nakakatuwa, grabe ang ginagawa. Panalo na naman mga idol. Tara, let's go.
No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
Oh my.
I hold him up.